Hi, today I take you to an acreage house in one of the three big cities in Australia. It has 4 big-size bedrooms, 2 washrooms, 1 living or entertainment area, 1 big outdoor shed, and big double-size garage in which there is lots of room for your vehicles and hobbies. There is veranda on the eastern side of the house. The house is fully fenced and has security system. It has a big swimming pool with spa. This resort-style living acreage home has a land area of over 1.5 acres. This house has 3 big rainwater tanks. It has its own small dam and a creek with a small wooden bridge. It has wide open plain area with different varieties of plants and trees. It looks like you have come to a forest and are on the movie set of Hobbiton. What I have described is nothing, because the actual house is inside. It's really beautiful from inside, and you will be amazed to see it. It is like a dream house. There is gas fuel system for cooking. This is a small greenhouse and a small pond. It looks like we have come to a rainforest of Australia. This is a small greenhouse. The windows of the house are in oriel style. The privacy of the swimming pool has been maintained by planting big trees, plants, and a big cover on half of the pool. There is a spa with the swimming pool. It has 4 big-size bedrooms, 2 washrooms, 1 living or entertainment area, 1 rumpus room, 1 alfresco room, laundry, kitchen, 1 extra WC, 1 big outdoor shed, and big double-size garage, carports for 3 vehicles. This is alfresco room. Alfresco room bar area. Rumpus room is for relaxing and children playing. Washrooms are well ventilated and good quality of sanitary material has been used. A separate WC and wash basin is there. It is very useful. This is one bedroom. This is second bedroom, which has been used as an office. This is a laundry with many cabinets to organize the laundry and shoe stuff. The kitchen is designer kitchen with many cabinets to keep the kitchen tidy and organized. This is the master bedroom. The master bedroom has walk-in wardrobe. This attached bathroom is very good. There is a small garden room attached to it. This is the fourth bedroom, which has also been converted into a music room. This is dinning area. This entertainment or living room has big projector and big screen. The third rainwater tank is underground under the carport and has a capacity of 30,000 liters or 8,000 gallons. This big shed is for small mechanical work and also used as storage place. This is second rainwater storage tank with capacity of 10,000 liters or 2,600 gallons. This big double garage, also used as multifunctional. You see how much of open space and privacy is here. This is another rainwater storage tank with capacity of 20,000 liters or 5,300 gallons. The open space in this house is about 1.5 acres, or just over half a hectare. The house has a small dam to store the rainwater. There is also a small creek on which a small wooden bridge is there. At this place, I feel like I am on the movie set of Hobbiton. This acreage house has its own small forest. There are many varieties of plants and trees. I would also like to inform you that 80% of Australian flora and fauna are native to Australia, and nowhere else they are found. Some of the trees and plants you saw, maybe first time or maybe when you were in Australia only. I will keep bringing this type of interesting and informative videos. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel and this video. Thanks a lot for watching my channel.